Hey, I'm Chef Toby Puddock, and this is Chef Leslie Chan. We're not doctors, we're chefs. We're standing in the epicenter of the Prahran market, right in the middle. And we've been on a little bit of a wander and grabbed some super fresh ingredients because you're gonna cook
a Chinese dish called stir-fried noodle with beef. It's really easy, but amazing yummy.
It looks quick too.
Yes.
This, like, you got the wok going,
Yeah.
so it's going to be super quick cooking. How do we jump into this? What do we do first?
So first one, okay, of course, we prepared all the ingredients. So we got
Yeah.
a egg noodles, and also we got a lovely beef porterhouse. You can use any beef you want, but
Yeah.
what I found porterhouse is really good in taste, very tender. Most important, they all trim it for you. When you go home, cut it and cook it and enjoy it. Yeah.
So talk to me about all the making up of the
So
sauces.
today we are using a different sauce to marinate the beef. So
Yeah.
why the beef to do marinade? So one is get the color, taste to the beef.
Should we start doing?
And number two, also give the taste more tenderized. So sometimes you can see the beef, they got like meat and the fat. Some people say, oh, the fat's very not healthy, I cut it off. What I do sometimes, I would like keep some beef with the fat. When you cook it in the wok, the beef really give a really, really good taste, and from the oil itself.
Yeah.
It's really good. And then also when you cook it, give like lovely aromatic. We're going to cut the beef. So what we're doing now, we use a knife, okay, chop, okay? Are you ready? Yeah. We just slice it up about 1 cm and put it in strip like this one. Oh, it's very tender and very nice.
And a lot of people get a little worried about fat, and
Yes.
of course you don't want to eat too much fat, but there's a lot of flavour in the fat as well, and it
Yes.
also gives moisture to the dish. In Italian cooking, meatballs and stuff like
Yeah,
that,
lovely.
we welcome the fat.
Yeah, lovely,
In
yeah.
sausages, you need fat.
Perfect. Now you can see our beef. Now you can see, if you say it, only about 10% of the fat
Yeah.
and 90% of the meat. If
So
you-
you've sliced that about 5 mils thick?
Yeah, if you cut in all fat out, you can see when you cook the beef, they're very chewy,
Yeah.
very dry. But when you keep some fat on the beef, it gives it moisture and give it a meat a tender as well.
Yeah.
I love it. So we marinate for about half an hour. What you do is very simple. I got a oyster sauce.
Yep.
Put it inside, and then a cornstarch, and that's it. That's simple. And then you mix it together.
What's the cornstarch for? Is that purely to thicken the sauce after?
Yeah, so cornstarch is very good. It's gluten-free as well. They make from corn. So and then they give the dish. Like you can see now, they all bind together. When
Yeah.
you cook the dish, the cornstarch actually what it does is get everything connected. Not you and me. You know, we are chef, and what I like the cooking is like get everything connected. That's great. You come here to enjoy the food and the relationship. Now you and me connected. Everybody connected.
Leslie is throwing a lot of ingredients into this. If you guys want the full recipe, head over to mymarketkitchen.tv to get all the quantities and the how to do. Right, what do we do here?
So
I'm
now
guessing
you can
heat
see
the
the
woks.
toby, the beef already done.
Yeah.
We put it on side here
Okay.
for about a half hour or 10 minutes to marinate everything. Next, egg noodles.
Have these been blanched already?
No, we just put it in the water for about 30 seconds.
That's it.
That's it. And then you drain it in here. So now you can put in here.
Yeah.
And you can see now we don't cook, you don't branch it all the gluten.
Yeah.
They stick together and it's very hard to cook.
Right.
Now you can see the perfect, they separate individually.
Yeah.
And you can see now they're dancing in the water.
Dancing.
Yeah.
You could use a gluten-free noodle for there as well, right?
Yeah, you can use vermicelli, you can use pasta,
Yeah.
anything you like. Perfect. So we'll get all the sauce together and then
Yep.
we turn the water on. So all the sauce here, we got a chicken powder, salt and sugar.
Chicken powder is like chicken stock.
Chicken broth,
Yeah, okay.
actually, yeah. And also we got like cornstarch again.
More thickening.
Yeah, like freaking aging, get the sauce bound together. So soy sauce, and this ABC sauce. ABC sauce is perfect. It's like a sweet soy sauce. It's pretty good. Get all the flavor together, and also give a sweet taste to the dish.
I
Is this in the oil?
haven't heard ABC sauce before.
This is the one.
Oh yeah, I have this at home
Lovely.
actually. Ketchup mayonnaise.
The kitchen mayonnaise is a sweet soy sauce.
Yeah.
So all the sauce, you just bind it together.
Yeah.
So this one becomes a thickening agent. So all the sauce done, noodle done, everything's done. Now we're ready. So now we're going to cook the dishes. But before we cook the dish, today I want to show you some tips. So before we put the oil in the wok, make sure the wok hot enough. You can see the
Yeah.
smoke coming out. If the wok not hot enough, when you put the food in, it will stick.
This is high heat, super fast cooking right now.
Yeah, because in the wok is like the toast. You can see the wok here?
Yeah.
They're ready? Put
Yeah,
the
when
oil-
it's smoking, it's good to go.
Yes, perfect. Put the oil here around
Yeah.
the wok and then just get oil together. Oh, it's nice. You can see the smell, Toby.
This is
Nice and
amazing.
clean. And now you can put all the beef inside.
Yeah, keep the kids away from this.
Yeah. Today I use a lovely Asian needle to do this one. Put it inside here. You can see the sound of the beef. It's smoking. Turn it around. And then you can see the wok, now they don't stick. And then what they do now, they do a caramelization. They put the wok, get the color inside.
Yep.
And good color and smell.
But this beef's only going to take like a minute to cook, right?
Yeah, but
super quick.
Somebody cook mini steak, you know?
Yeah.
And it's easy. And now you can see the color almost cooked. Now we get all the onions and red onion.
So that's pretty finely sliced, about 2 mils,
Yeah.
2 mils in thickness.
Oh, Toby, you can see. Smells amazing.
I'm waiting for all the sauce to go in. I think
Yeah.
that's when it's going to start smelling awesome.
Lovely, no?
What do you need next, Chef?
So next one, we put the noodle
Yeah.
inside as well.
So they've already been through the water, so they've
Yeah,
got
they
a
already
little bit of
have
warmth in there already.
You can see the sun, really
Yeah.
good. And now you can put all the spring onion in.
Yeah. So the spring onion, you want them to have texture still, right?
Yeah, that's why you don't.
You don't want to cook them too
Yeah,
much.
just in last minute. That's why I put
Right.
in last minute.
And then the beef sprouts don't
Yeah.
really need cooking at all.
Yeah, bean sprout just in last minute. It's almost done now. Okay,
Yeah.
you can put it
So
inside.
the beef you already put a marinade through at the beginning, so
Yeah.
we already have the flavour of the oyster sauce through the
Yeah,
beef, correct?
perfect. Yes, already marinated.
And
Okay?
this sauce you're going to go at the very end.
Yes. So
And
now
don't-
you can see the beef already cooked here.
Yeah. And we also have starch going through there as well. So once that sauce goes in, that's really going to help bring it all together and thicken that sauce.
Yeah, make
right?
sure you stir it before you add in because all the
Okay.
water will now mix well. And
You
then
do everything with this ladle. It's awesome.
Put it in. You can see the sun. Look at that.
What did you say? The sun?
Sun of love.
The sun.
Yeah, you can see the sun. So you can put it here. Oh, lovely.
But is this quite traditional the way you've done it now?
Yeah, of
It
course.
is.
Yeah. And last, we just put a little bit salt.
You probably need. You can go easy on the salt with this, right? Because you've
Yeah.
got soy, oyster,
Yes.
a lot of sodium,
Yeah.
sort of heavy sauces in there.
So now taste it. Serve, have a taste before we serve it.
Always.
Yeah. It's for you.
Thank you, thank you. What a
Let's
gentleman.
taste it. They're fresh and nice. You can see. Oh,
That's awesome.
really yummy.
So quick as well.
Yeah. So now we serve it. Okay.
So I guess if you have everything at home and we weren't making a TV show right now, you could do this pretty quickly, right? It's like a 10-minute
Yeah,
dinner.
10 minutes is easy.
Yeah.
But what I found they're really fresh. They're really tender beef, and most important, serve with my friend. Serve the love.
Serve with love. We love serving out the love. Now, if you don't eat beef at home, could you interchange this for something else?
You can use chicken. Chicken also
Chicken,
good, or
yeah.
pork. Pork also a perfect match with this dish.
What about if you're vegetarian?
Or you can use tofu.
Yep.
You can use tofu, capsicum,
Yep.
asparagus.
Yep.
Oh, look at that! You can look at the shiny.
I'm looking, man. I kind of want to finish up this filming so we can eat it right now. Chili goes on top as a garnish after, or?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good point, Toby. If you want spicy, you can add chili as well. You can add chili inside. But today I use a red capsicum and yellow capsicum.
Okay.
Just get a color.
So you could cook chili through there as well.
Yes,
get
no,
spice into
no
there,
problem
right?
at all. Yeah, no problem at all. So Toby, you can see, look at this beautiful dish. Very simple, nice, and cooking with this amazing sauce. Go with the dish. It's very easy, but amazing, tasty, nice.
Do you know, I've been cooking Italian food for a lot of years.
Yes.
And since I stopped working in kitchens, I've been cooking a lot of Japanese
Yes.
and Chinese food. And my pantry size has gone ding, ding, ding.
Yeah.
Because I have so many sauces like this in
Yes.
there. This happened really, really quickly. It's like under a 10-minute dish. Mr. Leslie, thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's do it at home.
Yeah, let's eat this.